Testing, testing, 1, 2. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Test, testing, 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 testing. Testing the mic. Testing the mic. Testing the mic. Testing the mic. Testing my drumming skills. And the mic. Testing my drumming skills. And the mic. Money for my thumbnail. I'm feeling right. Money for my thumbnail. I'm feeling right. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm hype. So I lost my thing. Alright, let's just go. What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Dogecoin. If you've been keeping up with the whole Dogecoin ride, from all the way from Elon Musk to Mark Cuban to Coinbase to Robinhood adapting it to all these celebrities promoting it to all these spiking ups, all these crash downs, all of this just emotion around Dogecoin, you've been in for a very rocky ride. And today, I'm going to take you guys through my personal experience with Dogecoin. I'm going to tell you guys how much I invested. I'm going to tell you how much I've made, if I'm still in Dogecoin, if I took any profits, how much profits I made. Also, later on in the video, I'm going to get into my price predictions for Dogecoin. Do I think it's going to continue to go down or will it spike back up? If Dogecoin will ever hit $1, I will let you guys know in this video. So let's just like the video right now, man. I don't know, I'm saying less. Well, I'm probably gonna be the first one to like the video, but you could be the second one. So like the video right now. Let's just get right into this. Make sure you stick towards the end so I can show you guys. I'm gonna go on the chart. I'm gonna break down, do a little technical analysis on Dogecoin, and kind of let you guys know my thought process on if I think Doge is gonna continue going to the moon or if it's just gonna crash to the ground. Alright, so boom. I've personally been a part of Dogecoin since 2019, late 2019. Somebody I know was talking about it and I was like, hey, let me just put some money in it. At this point, it was worth like 0.0000 whatever cents. It was not a cent. It was not 20 cents, whatever it is right now. It was none of that. It was literally play money. I just threw in there, I put in $5, right? So keep in mind, I have $5 in it. My cat right now is trying to be the star of the show and knock down my camera. Sir, I'm trying to talk about the Dogecoin. But like I was saying, Dogecoin has been on my radar for a little while. Actually, that's a lie, because I kind of forgot about the $5 I put in there. I don't even know where that $5 is at. Like, I don't remember what exchange it was on. It's probably not worth that much now. It's probably worth like a couple $100, but I personally don't even know where I had bought it on. So that's an L on my part. So everybody drop L's in the comments down below. But anyways, I've known about Dogecoin since late 2019. I was in it, but I wasn't keeping up with the trend. Now, recently, if you guys know, this past year in January, Dogecoin has literally shot up tremendously, dramatically, expeditiously, just crazily. And it's all due to just social media. I made a video about my thoughts on Dogecoin, what Dogecoin is as a whole. If you do not know what Dogecoin is, if you don't understand everything behind it, all the influence behind it that's pushing the price up, you need to go watch that video. It's right up there. I kind of break down why it's going up due to influencer marketing, due to just retail investors pushing the price up. It's not so much industries or companies that's pushing up. It's more so retail investors like myself, like you, if you invest in crypto, we're retailers. But basically, Dogecoin has had an absolutely amazing year. Despite how far it's dropped down in the past couple months, on the yearly chart, it still has had an absolutely amazing year. Now, a lot of people have asked me, Josiah, how much did you put in Dogecoin? Josiah, did you make money on Dogecoin? What did you get Dogecoin? What number did you get Dogecoin at? I'm gonna tell you guys, right? I bought Dogecoin at less than a cent. So it was 0.009. So it was almost a cent, but it was 0.009, something like that. And literally, the only reason I bought it is because I saw a tweet, right? And it was like, I don't even know why I did this either. This is at a point, not even a point. I guess I was just stupid, but it ended up being a W in the end. So who's really stupid? Exactly. But I saw a tweet on Twitter. It was this guy, he was very convinced that Dogecoin is about to pop. I don't even remember the dude's name. And he was like, it's on Robinhood, you might as well just put some money into it. So boom, I don't use Robinhood to invest. I use Webull. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get into stocks, link is inside the description. If you sign up, you can get 2 free stocks and everything like that. So just click the link in my description. But anyways, I don't use Robinhood, but I had money in Robinhood. I had about $980, somewhere around there, in my Robinhood, and it was on different stocks. Like I don't know where I got in the stocks from, but I just had $900 something worth of stocks. So I ended up selling all those stocks, and with the money that I had, it came out to like 990 something, I believe. I put it all into Dogecoin. I just full sent it all into Dogecoin. Forget what the heck happens. If I lose 900 bucks, it's gonna suck. But if I make $1 billion on it, I'm gonna be very happy. That's literally what I did. I just full sent basically $1,000 into Dogecoin. Now keep in mind, this was late last year, so it was around November, I wanna say, of last year, before the big spike of Dogecoin. And come to find out, 2 months later, Dogecoin would literally just blow up. I remember checking my Robinhood one day, and all I saw was plus $2,000, and I was like, what the heck is going on? I was so confused. I wasn't keeping up with none of the Dogecoin news. Like I said, I kind of forgotten about Dogecoin once again. Now, I know I'd put money in there, but it's not like I wasn't checking the app every single day like I usually would with all of my other cryptos. It was kind of just like a play crypto type thing for me. But lo and behold, I ended up making pretty great money on it. Now I'm about to dive into my Robinhood. I'm going to screen share it so you guys can see my screen with me, so you guys know I'm not capping about the different profits I had and everything like that. So yeah, let's just hop right into this. All right, so here we are. This is my Robinhood over here, but keep in mind, this is not today. This is the peak of what my Robinhood I got up to with just Dogecoin in it, $30,000. Now this is when Dogecoin was going stupid. I think it reached up to 71 or 72 cents or something like that. Right now it's chilling at about 21 cents, which is, you know, it's still better than 1 cent. You feel me? I still have a good entry, but it's definitely not as high as the 72 cents. So my max profit I had made on it was $30,000. Well, technically the profit is $29,000, but the account size was up to $30,000. And I was like, hey, you feel me? I never took profit, okay? I never touched it. It was just kind of like, okay, this is all free money at this point. Keep in mind, I put $1,000 in there. So as long as Dogecoin does not go back to 1 penny, which I doubt it will, I'll always be in profit. Now I won't have as much profit like the $30,000 that I had, but I'll still be in profit. So right here is where my portfolio is at right now. $9,450 off of a $1,000 investment. That is still absolutely amazing. I 8 times my money, which is awesome for doing nothing, but it's still not as good as when we were over here on May 7th, probably the happiest day of my life, when I had $30,000 worth of Dogecoin. But you know, you win some, you lose some. In the end, I still won. So like I was saying, I haven't taken any profit from Dogecoin. It's honestly just been a risk-free trade for me at this point, just due to the fact that I only put $1,000 in it, and I doubt Dogecoin is gonna go all the way back to 1 penny. If it does, if it gets anywhere close, probably 10 cents, then I'll take my $1,000 out and just let the rest ride. But for now, I'm chilling. Now, if you guys don't believe that that's the profits I made or whatever like that, here's my actual portfolio. Well, the Dogecoin portfolio part. If you look at the total return, I made $8,000 on it, 725%. Today's return, I lost $300 because Dogecoin is down today. Now, keep in mind, Elon Musk, man, this is for you. Everybody loved Elon Musk in the crypto world 3 months ago, somewhere around there. Everybody loved Elon Musk. Elon Musk went from like the Jesus of crypto to the Satan of crypto really fast. Like after the, it wasn't even after the SNL. It was after something. I completely forgot what he did. Oh, Bitcoin. He stopped Bitcoin from you being able to use Bitcoin to buy Tesla. And everyone just started hating him. He started trash talking Bitcoin. He started trash talking all these cryptos. It used to be every time Elon Musk, the Doge father, tweeted about Dogecoin, Dogecoin would spike up 5-10%. Now, when Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin, it drops, which is, you know, no one should have that much power in the first place, but I used to be a fan of Elon Musk. I bought a freaking Tesla. I might return the Tesla now. I don't know. I'm just playing. I'll never return the Tesla. The Tesla is still fire. I ain't even finna hold y'all. But as of right now, there's no momentum with Dogecoin. It's been pretty stagnant. We're hopping inside the charts really quick. I'm gonna break down what's been happening the past couple of days, weeks, months, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where I think Dogecoin is going to go. All right, so here we are on the chart right now. This is the Dogecoin versus the US dollar chart. This is where on an hourly chart as of right now. If you look here, we're clearly on a downtrend as we have a high here, a low here, a lower high. Oh, I just messed up. High here, lower high, then all the way down here, a lower low, a lower high, and just so on and so on. We're on a downtrend on the hourly. It's been like that for a very long time. If we scroll on, this was a peak over here, but then after that, it's just been a complete drop down. But if we look on the daily or the weekly, it is looking very sad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we do have a nice little support area here, what it looks like. So what I'm thinking personally, I've studied this chart a little bit before. I'll kind of draw out what I had. We have a little support and resistance zone right over here if we draw this out. So what I personally think, and this is around the 18-cent mark to the 15-cent mark, because it bounced right here, it did not close, it rejected this area, it came down over here and rejected it again, so now we have a pretty good resistance at this area is what it's looking like. So personally what I think is that this is going to end up coming all the way back down here. It's not going to let me draw. It's still not going to let me draw. Okay, it's going to come all the way down here, end up hitting here, and from this point, this is where it's going to determine if Dogecoin is going all the way back to the floor or if it's going up. I personally believe it's going to reject this zone once again and head on the upside. I don't know why I just did all this with this. Let me just delete it. But I personally believe it's going to come down here, reject this area right here, and do another push on the upside because there is some pretty good news coming out with Dogecoin. Just some usability things that are coming out. I'm going to make a video about it soon, so just stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because you do not want to miss on the news, especially when it comes to Dogecoin, because you could turn your $1,000 into $30,000 just like me. Hopefully, this is not financial advice. We're just friends. I'm just trying to tell you guys my experience with Dogecoin and kind of give you guys a idea of where I believe Dogecoin is going to go. So another point of interest we have is right up here as well, which is at the 42 area. If you guys remember back in June, it was stuck here for a little while. Like I think a couple of hours, it literally just kept playing with this area, did not want to mess with it. Then until it finally rejected it back down. It also acted as a support zone right here before breaking through, but not fully breaking, coming right back up before breaking fully right here. So I personally believe if it does bounce off of here, it's either going to stop at this area up here, or it's going to stop at this resistance zone over here, which is 30 cents. I personally don't think Dogecoin will go back up to 73 cents, 75 cents, whatever it's at, 73 cents anytime soon. Do I think forever, like it never will? No, I do believe Dogecoin still has a little bit more, a little bit of push behind it that should bring it up to the upside. But personally, I don't believe it's going to be there for a little while. We might have to have some patience with it. But overall, my experience with Dogecoin has been very good. If you're in Dogecoin, let me know inside the comments down below. Let me know your experience. Did you get in at the top? Did you get in right here and lose all your profits? Did you get in over here and do good? Did you get in over here and do good? Let me know in the comments down below. But for me personally, like I said, I've had a pretty good experience with Dogecoin. I never really put much thought into it or valued Dogecoin that much, just due to the fact that it really has nothing technically backing it except for influencers and just like people having FOMO. They don't want to miss out on the big thing of Dogecoin. Plus it has, you know, Elon Musk talking about it. It has Mark Cuban. It has all these celebrities talking about it. You want to be part of that trend. But it has no fundamental longevity in my eyes, Dogecoin. But does that mean it's not a good investment? Does that mean it's a good investment? That is completely up to you. Like I said, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you guys my experience. So overall, just a little recap. I put $1,000 into Dogecoin back in late 2000 or late 2020. That $1,000 had a max. It doesn't show it on my Robinhood, but the max it reached was $33,000. I have a screenshot, I sent it to my cousin. If I can find a screenshot, I'll put it on the screen. If not, you just gotta take my word, man. Just trust me. We're friends. I wouldn't lie to you. But $33,000, and now it is chilling at around the 9,400 area. For the past couple of days, it's been around that area. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comments down below your experience with Dogecoin. If Dogecoin has screwed you over, if Dogecoin has blessed you, let me know in the comments. I'm actually curious, and like I said, I will be coming out with a video detailing the different news that's coming out about Dogecoin, just to keep you guys updated on Dogecoin, the different spikes that might happen, the different drops that might happen, so you could be prepared mentally, physically, emotionally for what the heck Dogecoin is about to do to us all. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like right now. If you're new around here, subscribe, because I'm always dropping gems for y'all that's gonna help y'all make money. So why would you want to miss out on that? It's completely free. Just press the subscribe button, press the like button, because it shows me you actually like my content, and I would enjoy if you liked my content. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your businesses, good luck on all your anything you want to do. Just good luck, and I'm gonna see y'all.